Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Chennai location. This information collected from newspapers. Let us see what are the job openings available one by one.
Please do not pay money for any kind of job.
Firstly, there is a job openings for Vizuram IAS Academy. They are looking for faculties for IAS coaching center. Selected candidates will be offered with attractive salary and food and accommodation facility as well. Interested candidates, you can share your resume at the provided email ID, and there is also contact number. Email ID is info.vyjuram@gmail.com. Contact number is 7790040501. Next, there is a job openings for Authentic Square Housing Private Limited. They are looking for front office or admin position. Should have a knowledge of basic accounts and computer knowledge is required. Qualification is any degree. Freshers are eligible for the job role, and up to 2 years of experience will also be considered. You can directly call on the given phone number and fix the interview time, and you can directly walk in with your resume. There is also official email ID provided to share your resume, and you can see the contact number is 9003229098. Next, there is a job openings for Madhya Kailash Temple. They are looking for, they are seeking for applications from interested persons to work in temple office. The persons who are near, located, living near to temple, they will be preferred. Modest honorarium will be paid. So, if you are interested, you can directly contact on the given phone number, or you can share your details and resume to the provided email ID. The email ID is madhyakailashh@yahoo.co.in, and contact number is 9884021689. Next, there is a job openings for Candy Factory. They are looking for customer service executive. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role, and the age limit is below 35 years. Should be a graduate, and English. You should be able to write and draft email, and that is required in English language. Job location will be Kottivakam this year. Salary offered up to 15,000 per month. You can share your resume at the provided WhatsApp number or email ID. WhatsApp number is 9884650778, and email ID is hr@kndeefactory.com. Next, there is a job openings for in a word Center for Languages. They are looking for telesales executive. Qualification is should have a fluency in English and Tamil languages. Should have good communication skills and should have knowledge of computers, and relevant experience is required. And this is only for female candidates. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9884640000. Next, there is a job openings for TRR Associates. They are looking for graduate to work on in their firm, and the qualification is should be a graduate in commerce background and should have knowledge of MS Office. You can contact on the given phone number or share your resume at the provided email ID. Contact number is 9884070424, and email ID is trrassociates@yahoo.in. Next, there is a job openings for Babaji Vidyashram. They are looking for front office executive. Only female candidate is eligible for this job role and should be a graduate and should have a pleasing personality attitude and should have good communication skills too. You can share your resume at the provided email ID. Email ID is careers@babajivishram.org. Next, there is a job openings for Sensotech India. They are looking for marketing coordinator, and this is position is only for female candidate and should be experienced. And and they are also looking for female stores assistant, and this is only for fresher candidate. And for marketing coordinator, they given several qualifications too. Training will be provided on to work in Zoho CRM platform, and also should have excellent English communication skills, and salary is commensurate with experience. Your salary is offered depending upon your experience. So this position is only for experienced candidates and only for female. And this is a stores assistant. This is also only for female candidate. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information, and you can share your resume at the provided email ID. The email ID is sales@sensotechia.com, and email ID is 93805606667 and 98841 Next, there is a job openings for GRG Enviro Sound Solutions Private Limited. They are looking for marketing manager and senior accountant and secretary, HR, receptionist and admin. For marketing manager, only female candidate is eligible, and the age should be below 30 years and should have a pleasing personality, and a hardcore selling experience in hospitality is required, or entertainment and retail segment. And for senior accountant position, minimum 5 years of experience is required and should be a BCom graduate, and tally knowledge is required. And for secretary, HR, receptionist and admin positions, only female candidate is eligible and should have a fluency in English language, and should have a good communication skills, and should be a pleasing personality. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information, and there is also official address details provided here. 61 4th Street, Padmanabhanagar, Adyar, Chennai. Contact numbers are 9940077173 and 04442187177 and 04442187111. And there is also official email ID address hrd@grgenviro.com, and there is a official website address links. You can go through it and check about the company. Next, there is a job openings for SBI Group company. They are looking for sales managers. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role, and age limit is below 35 years. Fixed salary along with incentives is offered. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 8610826341. Next, there is a job openings for Heaven Greens. They are looking for salesperson, billing staffs, accountants assistant, and housekeeping staffs. For salesperson, both male and female candidates are eligible, and for accounts assistant, tally knowledge is required. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9384856961, and there is a official contact address details provided here. Heaven Greens, Shastri Nagar, Chennai 20, near telephone exchange. Next, there is a job openings for SSB groups. They are looking for freshers and experienced persons who knows typewriting or computer knowledge is required. It is like a part-time and full-time job. You can share your resume at the provided email ID ssbgrps@gmail.com. Next, there is a job openings for GR Foods. They are looking for sales and delivery persons. Minimum qualification is 12, and it is they distribute the spices, provisions and dry fruits and etc. And they have also included what are the locations they require: Adyar, Besant Nagar, ECR, OMR, Velcherry, and should have a two-wheeler as well. They will be preferred more. You can contact Mr. Vimal Kumar on the given phone numbers. Contact numbers are 9791390261 and 9445188846. Next, there is a job openings for Kola Preschool. They are looking for female candidates who can work in their pre-primary school as a pre-primary teacher, and should have experience of minimum 2 years as a pre-primary teacher, and only female candidates are eligible for the job role. Flexible working hours will be offered, and they have vacancies in around all locations of Chennai. You can share your resumes at the provided email ID, or you can contact on the given phone number for further information. Email ID is jobs@koalapreskol.com, and the contact number is 7019163333. Next, there is a job openings for Premier Recreation Center. They are looking for coaches for chess, carom, and yoga. And the job location also provided. You can check with that. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9884666559. Next, there is a job openings for garment design company. They are looking for a positions operations coordinator and production and administration in charge, and only female candidate is eligible for the job role, and experience in operation process is required. System knowledge is mandatory. You can share your resume at the provided email ID for further process. Email ID is svasa.sathya@gmail.com. Next, there is a job openings for United Plastics. They are looking for factory helpers. Both male and female candidates are eligible. Salary offered above 10,000 per month. You can contact on the given address or given phone number for further information. There is also address provided, official address. You can check with that. Contact number is 9840172223. Next, there is a job openings for Shakti Dental Care. They are looking for front office assistant and chairside assistant. And for front office assistant, pleasing personality is required and minimum qualification is graduate. Should have language fluency, and it is a part-time job. Both are part-time jobs. And the chairside assistant minimum qualification is standard 10th, and this is also a part-time job. You can contact on the given phone number, or you can share your resume at the provided email ID for further process. There is also official contact address provided. You can check with that. Contact number is 9444026996 and email ID is enamelparl@gmail.com. Next, there is a job openings for Shiris. They are looking for process associates and manager senior accounts executive. For process associates, they have 6 number of vacancies. Should be a minimum graduate and a minimum like freshers and up to 5 years of experience will be considered, and should have a good communication skills in English and Tamil languages. Knowledge of computer is mandatory. And for manager and senior accounts executive, 2 vacancies available. The qualification is should be a graduate in commerce background and minimum 2 to 5 years of experience is required. Should have knowledge of Tally and other accounting softwares, and knowledge of MS Excel is mandatory. You can share your resume at the provided email ID for further process. There is also official contact address details provided here. You can check with that. Email ID is info@srishglobal.com. Next, there is a job openings for Interlock Services. They are looking for job vacancies for MNC company. Should have a good communication skills and knowledge of MS Office is required, and should be a tech savvy. Should have a quick learning abilities. Freshers are eligible. Up to 2 years of experience will also be considered. You can share your resume at the provided email ID for further process. Email ID is india@interlogservices.com. Next, there is a job openings for Landrex. They are looking for accountant position. Only female candidate is eligible for this job role. Should be a graduate in commerce background. Should have knowledge of Tally, MS Word and Excel. And you can share your resume at the provided email ID or WhatsApp number for further process. Email ID is prakash@laundrexx.com and WhatsApp number is 9380003300. Next, there is a job openings for Smile Mantra Dental and Cosmetic Clinic. They are looking for assistant position and a receptionist position. Only female candidate is eligible for the job role. Should be positive and energetic and bold and dynamic attitude. And you can contact on the given phone number for further information, and there is also official contact address details provided here. You can check with that. Contact number is 9790001091. Next, there is a job openings for Hanu Reddy Realty. They are looking for vacancies for the real estate industry. Age should be below 40 years. You can contact on the given phone numbers or email ID for further process. There is also official contact address provided here. You can check with that. Contact numbers are 7824868459 and 43999600, and email ID is adyar@hanurettydrealty.com, and they are telling like this is for freshers and who are wants to start their career in real estate, but the only condition is age should be below 40 years. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information, and there is also email ID. You can check with that. Next, there is a job openings for Orange Retail Finance. They are looking for several openings like virtual relationship manager and telecaller. You can contact on the given phone number or email ID for further information. And this is for a telecaller, only female candidate is eligible. They have given the conditions also. Should be a graduate in any discipline, should have good communication skills, and a minimum 1 to 2 years of experience is required in similar field. You should be able to speak English, Tamil, and Telugu and Kannada languages. And candidates who can speak English, Tamil, and Telugu can also apply. Kannada language is not mandatory. Salary offered up to 15,000 per month. You can contact on the given phone number for further information, and there is also email ID. Contact number is 9790828681, and email ID is hr@rangeretailfinance.com. That's it in this video, guys. I'll be coming up with more updated job openings for Chennai location and all over Tamil Nadu major cities. And for Chennai location, I'll be uploading video as early as possible for the next with fresh job openings. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to encourage me to do more videos on job openings for Chennai location moving forward as well. Thank you so much for your love and support, guys. Have a great day.